Welcome back to the channel, my youths. Wagwan, what's good? What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. You beat the vibes. Yo, got a lot to update you guys on, but I'm gonna kick this video off first, starting off with the cars and coffees we went to this morning. Me and Pat and, well, hold on, I gotta introduce my lady first. My lady and I, and my boy Pat, the homie, you know, we popped out to a meet, like I said, cars and coffee this morning. So I'm gonna jump over to that video right there to let you guys check some of the cars that we seen there. Then we're gonna jump back to these two right after. You digs?
Yo. Good morning.
Are you recording me now?
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Early start. So Jimmy Oaks had cars and coffee, and it's Sunday. Thought it was Saturday, but before I go over, you know, the BMW.
Enough with the chit chat. Let's look at the nicest look at S14 here. This one right here.
All right, never mind. Nah, this junk is fire though. This junk is fire.
Yeah, that's OEM color too.
You know, that's the thing. It's like this year, like with the 240, I was kind of like, oh, I'm sick of like scraping everything. Like I want to go fast and shit. Like I think I'm gonna get
shit.
Yeah, my mom is very like.
Big flex with the two wheels though.
Huh?
I said big flex with the two different wheels.
Something
though.
like that.
I really like that. It's very small and adorable. I'm sorry, I have to pick different words. Adorable is not good. These are thoughts.
Yeah, you're right.
Tell me this shit.
That Midori green, I love that.
Huh?
That Midori green. I always see this man. I love the fact that he really drives it too.
Oh, another little Max? Another little Brazil?
All black.
Bend-Aid and all. Something like that.
What I do?
What's up, man?
Not much. Go. Hey, what's up? Always will forever love this car. Then you got man, we see him after meets. Seen him at Brokey's. He goes around. What's up, man? Mind if I ask you a couple questions about your car, or just tell me about your car?
Sure.
So what you got in there? I know these come stock with a 2J GE, obviously, for the channel. Let people know. So what you got done to her?
Well, it's a super block, high compression internals, built IS head, 52mm turbo, T56 tranny, E85,
Okay,
30
okay.
pounds
Now
E85.
explain to me, why do you do high compression? Because usually it'll be low compression when you go turbo.
High compression for ethanol for 85.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
30 pounds, it's about 800 for the wheels.
Wow, nice.
Good time.
Definitely sounds good. Thank you.
No problem. I'll see you later. Later, Pat.
By the way,
Yeah. The stacks on them.
Beer pong game with that shit.
This needs to set a beer pong game with these. Boy.
Oh, 36 Burke. Oh, that's my boy Hebe.
Hey, I want to see all the 36 out here. Who are you telling? To color and all, bro.
Everything else. Gotta be
Color
this
and all. This wait. What motor is this? What motor? Whoa. This the This the motor I'm telling you. This one's like 16K. That fucking go
Yeah,
over here,
yeah.
nigga. Boy, this the motor I really want, nigga. What? Boy.
You'll get it one day, man. You'll get it one day.
Stupid goals, bro. They just tell me IS is here and I forget every other car. Like, bruh.
Is that what it's called?
What?
You're in Thompson, right? Yeah, that's the same car, right? Yeah.
Oh, the Miata?
Mm-hmm.
Possibly.
No, they're like the what's the chameleon back.
I mean, there's. I want to get the spoon. Are they ready? Cut out the mess.
But they have the chameleon. Where the fuck they are? I forget what that's. They're not the Zeta. They're not. I'm gonna block your shit.
Yeah, there we go.
But there's insane bolts. They're so good.
Yo, thanks again. Let's go. I'm cool.
You like them? They fit?
Yeah, they put them on already.
I had that from the other side. The thing is,
On the present.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, bro. Like,
I wasn't ready. Oh my god.
that was shine, baby. Bro, like, this everything, yo.
I love it. Good balance of everything. Sunlight.
you have to stop. What do you think the stop? Or do you think that's a European bubble? I won't get this one. They sell the actual. Every day.
Excuse me.
Yeah, no problem.
My brother's boys, they fucking wear like a beanie and like jeans and so on.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do cookies this time, cause I'm gonna give some to Joe. He be acting up.
I was going to sleep, so I didn't want to like waste it.
Yeah.
Spec R at that. Shalom.
I only do that.
Oh, I love those eyelids.
Yeah. Yo, does your bumper come with a lip or?
Built inlet.
Oh, it's built in?
Mm-hmm. I love this little horn joint.
And I really like the
Shift knob?
yeah.
I was thinking about doing that on one of my cars that I had.
Yeah.
It's very simple. They sell the kits from. And
There's
that's
really no point like for me doing my car. I can literally just
Yeah.
top on both the cars.
It's for those cars that got them difficult spots.
Like, you know what would have been good for like the 8th Gen Civic?
Well, about to leave the Cars and Coffees. There was a lot of good cars here, a lot of E36s, and it just gave me crazy hella ideas for what to do. But I'm gonna go back to the crib. Well, actually, about to go chill with Shorty right here, chill with my son, and then I'm gonna give you an update on the new daily tonight. Probably give you an update on the BMW too. But see you in the field. Excuse me. Focus, look at me. Alright, cool. Alright, so as you can see in the little windows there, later on tonight. Actually, I was actually. Why am I saying actually? But great Cars and Coffee. Jimmy Oaks always have a great turnout. I don't think it was just his Cars and Coffee though, but it was that Cars and Coffee. It was an old restoration shop that was there. It was pretty dope. They had a crowd from muscle, import, domestic, whatever you truck. Dude, I seen a monster truck do a burnout, boy. Alright, it wasn't a monster truck. It was like a old Chevy pickup on like some. Yeah, tires is about that high, but it was fire. But back in the garage, wanted to give y'all a garage walk around real quick and show you the new something else that's right there. Y'all see in a second, but let me actually clean all this crap up. Oh, can't go that way. Clean up, can't go too far that way. Let me just clean all this up. Be right back. Alright, so didn't really do a crazy cleanup. I just kind of wanted to get. Yeah, I ain't see that right. Yeah. I just had to get rid of all the stuff that was right here. But more or less to say, yeah, I know I got the E36 and I picked up another Accord. Yeah. I know you might have seen in the last video. I don't know if you did or not. Uncle Mike edit that one. But did have a Subi. But you know, I had to come home. I had to go back home to what I really want by. And I wanted the Accord for me. And now that I have a son, and so I need 4 doors, can't do the coupe for me. But look at it, look at it, look at it. It's not bad. It's not bad. Needs some loving. Full black interior. Yes, it's an LX. Still 5-speed. So I ain't getting lost of that. For me, not bad, not bad. Got some stuff need to be done. Needs suspension. Needs an exhaust. Chill. Don't need y'all know where I'm at. Needs exhaust, suspension. Dudes I got it from, real cool kids. For me, they told me they just started on working on cars. They just swapped another junkyard motor in here real quick. I guess something happened to the previous one. Ain't no big deal. Like I said, as long as it runs, drives, little things need to be buttoned up and fixed up, you know, especially to get it to the way I want it. You know, it's going to be right by spring because it's about to be a daily for the most part. But you ain't going to go too far. But, yeah, I had to pick up another one. I mean, obviously I have some question on what happened to the white one. But we're going to cut to this.
All right, guys, the Accord is right behind me. We still have it. It's still in the family. It's doing okay. Got to do some fixes, not make some fixes. Do some fixes to it. I don't want to tell you guys too much about what's going on with it. Let me see, right behind me, all in one piece. All in one piece. I want you guys to say, oh, something happened to it. It's not around. It's around. It's around. My son's gonna come up here and we're gonna do an episode with it, updating you guys what's going on with it, waiting for Jevon to come up here so we're all in one place together and we'll update you. And you're probably saying, why your son? Well, you guys stay tuned for that one. So stay tuned and you'll find out.
So yeah, the plans for this is like literally suspension, wheels. I want to grab an H23 for this and literally leave it all stock. Keep the balance shafts in, just intake headers, exhaust, stock intake manifold, nothing crazy. I just really want to get work on getting a lot of like legit parts, like not saying legit parts, but Mugen parts, a lot of the rare parts that comes for 4-door Accords. Because even with the coupes were not really in Japan as much, and if they were, they had the special little American badge that says this car was made like from America or whatever. But in Japan, a lot of the parts, like if I were to get Mugen side skirts, Mugen bumper, head, whatever be the case, it's all made for the 4-door. And I want to actually, you know, put that into this, even though it's not the EX, it's the LX, but still. And this is going to have AC, power steering, and everything. Right now, it don't have power steering, but it's going to have power steering soon. And quick update on the E36. The boy got the... Oh, see, it was my birthday. Femi, it was my birthday. And Shorty got me some parts for the 36 door. I got the M3 bumper. I got new corner lights. What else I do? Oh, side skirts. I think I seen that in the last video. Got a quick release on this car. I think I'm gonna take it off of this car and put it on this car because it's all black and it look nice. And I actually want to flip up one for that car. But yeah. Also got Condors, Speed Shop, Poly, Trans, and engine mounts coming in. And Condor, I'm gonna be hitting them up like crazy. They got everything for these cars. So it's like, why not? But to wrap this up, let me give you a little walk around, like I said, around the garage. And yeah. Alright, this thing, freaking marker up dropping. Got my new little hoodie all. You peep the fit. Car guys, only car guys know. But yeah, like I said, I got my toolbox there. Bunch of stickers. I want to put these on the car too. I got a bunch from car meets and whatnot. But yo, limited edition shift handles coming soon. Nah, that's just one of them. I think actually I got another one somewhere. But all little small nuts and bolts stuff. Got a little shelf. Want to add more shelves there. Got some flags. Want to add more flags. Oh, and the last finishing touch to this drawer. I think I'm gonna have my girl do this tonight because I want to work on the Accord tonight too. Who touching me, cuz? Who touching me, cuz? Put down in the comments how much Hot Wheels you have, or if you even collect Hot Wheels. But that's all for today. Next video is gonna have me putting in the chassis mount shifter for the E36, and also the I'm thinking shifter bushings. I'm back on Accord time, but chassis mount shifter, which is right here. And then also, because you can't really install those without upgrading your engine and transmission mounts from Condor bushing. That's what are going in. Those should be in this week. So stay tuned. That video will be out the following week probably. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. We post every Friday, so hit that notification bell so you can be updated on when we post. Deuces, fam.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post the same now, I've been humble too long, yeah.